we go to our special guest, our guest speaker. She's going to talk about MRHS alumni, move forward, give back. She just wants to be introduced as Miss Bonita Valdez Cruzada of Batch 81. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Miss Bonita.
Well, this is really amazing to see my two daughters and myself to be here in this multipurpose hall after that long, tedious travel from Detroit to Nagoya, and we were stuck in Nagoya for one night. And I was really flabbergasted, but then since the airline was so kind to take us on the same day, on the 13th, you know, and that's why we're here, but please bear with me because we're still jet lagged and really tired, so I hope you'll be understanding. Okay, good evening, alumni of Batch 82. Happy 25th silver anniversary of your graduation. Happy silver jubilee. It's feeling great, and I can see from up here that everyone is, you know, feeling so prepared to celebrate the occasion. And you know that this is really a special day together as yet another shift in the middle of the changes in our lives. And for sure after tonight, all of us will have created new friendships, new acquaintances, or any kind of state of affairs we could think of. Well, actually this is very true because three of my classmates in Cornell in Canada, if you know the names of Victoria Masansol, Anthony Irindae, Brian Parado, mga kumpare ko na po sila ngayon. Inaanak po ninong po sila ng aking bunsong anak na ngayon. And there was also one of my classmates who are now in Australia, if you know Alice Gregorio, kumari ko na rin po siya ngayon. Inaanak po niya yung aking panganay na anak. So this is something that we are building right now. It's beyond being classmates. It's being, you know, like maybe some of you who have may mga anak na kayo na ikakasal na, pwede ko kayo kumuha ng mga ninong at ninang kung sino sa inyo yan. So this is what reunion are all about. So I hope that everyone is really feeling great tonight and will be fruitful after this celebration. Now that I have been in the community of Batch 81, of course, it's just proper to recognize the outgoing principal, Dr. Luningning Milan. Nice to meet you po. And also the incoming principal, Dr. Milanio Austria. We had a little chat right there. Naging estudyante pala niya ang aking panganay na kapatid, si Dominador Valdez and Alberto Valdez. So it's nice meeting you too, sir. And also I'd like to acknowledge the presence of some of the teachers, which I know is Aguirre. Kamusta na po? Miss pa rin. Hanap po kita. Well, the events during the past 48 hours have really been overwhelming. But I believe that I first felt overwhelmed when I thought of coming back to the Philippines because I haven't been back to the country in 30 long years. So that was really a long year. And I haven't seen the light of Manila. So marami na po kong hindi natatandaan, marami na pong nagbago. And that is something that I really wanted to get back to my memory. Actually, I planned to come back in the Philippines in 2001, but the plan got held up because that was the time when I had my first child. And then I did reschedule to come back in 2003.